be trying McChicken burgers for the first time because neither of us have tried McChicken burgers. So we're like, should try McChicken burgers for the first time and let you see what we think of them.
Yes.
And so this will be interesting for you. We are going to do a roommate tag while we drive there.
Yes. Just because we're pretty bad at coming up with conversations on camera.
Yeah.
No, so the first question is, were you guys friends before you were roommates?
Oh, no, I'm just...
Yes.
We went to high school together. There's literally a bird.
No, there's not, sis. There's literally no bird.
It's literally under me.
There's literally no bird.
There's literally a pigeon under me.
There's no... It's right there.
Oh.
Okay. Okay, so
And
yes.
it's like literally peak hour.
Fleur was my first friend that I made outside of like the group that I went to high school with from middle school.
Yeah, but I was like the only one from my small ass private school who was going to be in this class, and I had no friends, and everyone had their cliques from their middle school, and I had no one. And then yeah, Rachel talked to me, and I was like, I'm gonna pay, and then the rest was history.
Yeah, because all my friends who were in that class with me, because we were in the C4E class, were like all the boys. None of my girlfriends are in that class, so I'm like, this is gonna suck, you know? Like, no offense to my guy friends, they were great.
You know who you are.
But I'm like, I want a girlfriend so we can just gossip, you know? Like, there's all these new
and
people.
Gossip we do.
Friendships are formed through gossip.
Literally.
Anyway, the next question is, what was your first impression of each other? I literally don't remember.
I don't know.
Like, because that was in year 10. That was a long time ago.
Do you remember Mr. Denton?
Who's that? Okay, is there any habit that you know annoys your roommate? That was a bit dramatic.
I don't know, maybe when I leave my tea bags in the sink.
She leaves her tea bags in the sink. I'm like, put them in the bin, it's literally a meter away.
They're literally too hot for the bin though.
You hold it by the tag, what do you mean?
No, it'll melt the bin.
I reckons the tea bags are gonna melt the bin.
They're like the liner.
It will not.
There's a liner. Lame. Okay, what about me? I mean, yeah.
Fly's like, there's so many.
Like you think you're kind of mad at me for like keeping the compost on the bench and then all the fruit flies come in.
Oh, since that was both of us. What are you talking about?
I'm like, oh my god, there's so many fruit flies, and I'm just like, Rachel, but my...
That's both of us. No, that's both of us. So we left the compost.
I was literally like, oh my god, she hates me.
How could I hate you for trying to be good for the environment?
I'm trying to like make all these trying to make all these traps and like catch them.
So we need to explain the story to the viewers because they don't understand. So oh my god. See ya. Just showcasing Fleur's driving skills. It's just going here, you know what?
I'm literally so embarrassed. It's right behind me.
Oh my god, I literally beat this water a million times too.
I like once would have been enough, mate. Okay, here's McDonald's.
Hell yeah, here we go. We'll just pause it for 2 seconds. Okay, we're gonna get the McChickens now, but Fleur's got a $3 code, so we'll just pause the video for 2 seconds. I know you're gonna miss us, but like, we'll be right back. Oh my god, wait! Oh my god, I have to prepare my card and everything. Stress.
Are you gonna get hash brown?
Yeah, because I $1 this. Yeah, no problem.
No worries.
Park and Bay 1, he said.
Oh shit, sorry.
You're like, no worries. I'm like, did you even listen to him? He's just staring at you. He's like,
Fuck.
Bye, they go.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Please, I can put a handbag on. Anything for me? I don't know where to go. Whoa, look how many air fresheners he's got. Can you see?
I reckon I count about 10 air fresheners. They must hotbox it or something.
Yeah, I know. I'm like,
So they got this. What a lad!
what a lad. You know to me. Oh my god.
We're gonna have to edit
you,
the
like, keep
crap
it
out of
on?
this video.
The sun's behind us. Maybe we'll just stop. No, we'll just. Oh my god, it literally says I've literally seen so many couples at uni, and I literally want to vomit every single time. Like they're literally making out.
Sorry about that collision.
It should just be a montage of like the phone just dropping.
Anyway, compost story 4.6. We walk out to the lounge room. And there are fruit flies everywhere. We're like, oh my god, where these come from? Both acting like we don't know they came from the compost.
No. I had made a little like bucket for all the compost, and I was like, you know, slowly putting my food scraps in it, and then I saw it was like low-key getting moldy. And I saw like 2 fruit flies, and then one morning there was literally oh my god.
Oh,
wait
for
me.
us. Thank you. Cute. She didn't even wave.
Yeah, I waved at her. Yeah, and then one morning there were so many fruit flies, and I was like, oh my god, it's from the compost. And then you like came out and you're like, oh my god, where are these fruit flies from? And I'm like, I literally don't notice. What the heck? That's so weird.
There were so many of them that they were all like landing on the pantry, and it was literally like the pantry was like black.
We like took the compost out eventually, and then her friend came over for dinner, and she's like, you guys have like bugs, and I'm like, I don't know why.
Yeah, like where'd they come from? No idea. We're not gross human beings or anything. We didn't have food.
We didn't like leave our compost to rot on the bench.
We just want to be good for the environment, but that shit is hard.
Yeah,
Anyway, and then we went to the shops and we spent
I reckon I'm gonna
freaking $3 on compost bags.
Yeah, literally.
They are so expensive, and it was for like 20 of them, if that. $3. Like that's a joke.
And they're so small.
I know. They fill up like so quick.
Yeah. Okay, so we're home and we're gonna try them for you. Okay.
First impressions. Lettuce is falling everywhere.
What? Why is there mustard?
What?
I've got a bit of mustard.
The chicken looks crispy. Looks delish.
Crispy.
Is the mayo supposed to be on the bottom?
I don't know. Lots of lettuce.
Lots of lettuce. We love that. Can't fault. Lots of lettuce.
It just looks like a really big nugget TBH.
Oh. Mmm. She is delicious. You know, lettuce, bun,
Yeah.
chicken.
The bread's kind of like overpowering.
What? No. Perfect.
It just has that bread. Maybe a little bit of chicken. And a little bit of crunchiness from the lettuce. But if you've ever had a snack wrap,
Never
this
had
is
a
like a snack wrap, except snack wraps are like so much more crunchy. I guess it's good. It's just like,
So good. I'm literally loving it. I think I've been converted to a McChicken fan. They are really good. I still reckon quarter pounder is better. No, quarter pounder is better, I reckon. But big chicken tops cheeseburger for sure.
Oh, anything tops cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger is good, sis.
Would I get this again?
I would.
I'd probably just get a Big Mac instead.
Okay, who is the noisy roommate? Are either of us noisy? The fuck you give me that look for?
Actually,
I'm not noisy.
I don't think they're noisy. We're noisy together.
Yeah, but like if we're being loud, we usually just in our rooms, you know.
But my walls are so thin.
I can hear behind me. The apartment behind me, anything they do, I can hear that shit. If there was anything you could throw out of the house that belongs to the other person, what would it be? I mean, like, most of our shit's in our rooms. Besides stuff we sort of got together, you know? Oh. you're freaking, not because like it's anything, like not because it's annoying, but I don't know if it's the blender or the hand thing. That shit is so fucking loud. That wake me up in the morning every time. I'm like, should be blending her juice or using the crusher thing. I don't know which one it is. And I'm like, I will throw that out the window.
It's like a ninja bullet.
It's so loud. I'm like, but it only goes.
It is literally so loud.
But it only goes for like,
I know. I'm
2
literally
minutes.
like.
So I'm like, it's alright.
I don't know if there's anything that'll throw away that's yours.
I didn't bring any equipment. Do you both sit around naked? Yes, all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're walking around naked and
We're
like
secretly nudists, you know?
Yeah.
Who takes the longest to get ready? I think it's like, for what, you know? Like for a night out, props me, because like I usually put makeup on and everything, where Fleur got like flawless skin, so she don't put makeup on.
Like I go out like this.
But I'd say for like uni or like anything like that, like I value my sleep, so I will literally get ready in 10 minutes if I'm going, so I can sleep in, where Fleur will like get up, you know, have breakfast and like organize all that ahead of time, so she'll like take her time getting ready.
Yeah, for uni, definitely me.
In my placement at the moment, so I have to start at 6:45 and my bus is at 6:13, so I'm like sleep in till the last moment, like 5:40 or 5:30, whatever, get dressed, do not have time for breakfast, brush teeth, maybe put on a bit of makeup. But yeah, I can get ready in probably 10-15 minutes if I needed to, you know? Who is the bigger foodie? Fleur.
Yeah,
Actually have a sandwich every day as my lunch, basically. So I'd be like, get home, she's like, what leftovers?
Yeah. I'm like, fucking, I'm like, leftover pork and ribs. I'm like, I get home, I'm like, couscous, chicken salt, like, I just like cheese toasty.
Have you ever had to lie to your roommate about that outfit and said it looked good even though it didn't?
No.
We both, except like I'm literally wearing my slippers right now.
If you catch us walking to Coles to get stuff for dinner,
then yeah, we'd probably look homeless to you. Like, what is the dumbest thing you have done together? Dumbest thing is when we got onto the wrong bus.
We got onto the wrong bus. We were trying to get a bus into the city, and we were supposed to get on this bus. Julie was trying to think of an absurd number.
We were going on a bus, and it was a number that was very similar to a number that we always catch, like everywhere.
Yeah.
And we caught the one that goes out of the city, and we were like, oh shit. And we're like, where is this bus driver going? And we're like, and then we realized we're on the wrong bus.
And then I was like, Rachel, what do we do? Like, I was freaking out, and Rachel was like,
I'm like, let's just get off.
She's like, let's just see where the next main road is. I'm like, Rachel! I'm literally like, do you want to fucking, and she's like, sis.
I'm like, what are we supposed to do?
Yeah,
tell the bus driver to pull.
Yeah, I'm like, should we ask like where the bus is going? I have no idea where the bus is going. And she's like, sis, just wait. I'm like, we're literally gonna end up in the mountains. And you're like, so chill. I'm like, Rachel! And then we got off and we had to wait in this like deserted, it was like literally pitch black because it's winter.
But only 10 minutes because we got off near a main road. And then when we got on, I was like, this bus driver looks familiar.
It was
and
the
then
same bus driver.
So he'd finish his route and come back around. So we spent an extra $1.20 for no reason. We could have just stayed on the bus and it would have looped around and changed its number. Like, what is something you didn't notice about each other until you became roommates? I guess like how often you wore jeans. Like, I did not notice that until I moved in with her and she wears jeans every day.
Attack me. Literally the only pants I have. I have no other pants. Look. Mother freaking happens.
Yeah. That's not a cool and trendy rip. That's like a rip that she actually put in accidentally.
Look at that. How much you sleep?
Like that.
You literally like.
I do not sleep much.
You take so many naps.
Like one nap a day, if that.
Yeah, I don't think that like the vast majority of the population takes a nap a day.
Sis, I didn't take a nap every day. Most days, not every day. I know so many people who nap all the time.
Comment down below if you nap.
What is your favourite things to do with each other? dinner.
Yeah, I was gonna say sit on our beanbags and eat dinner.
Oh, go to Coles. Coles is always so fun. Like, have you met your roommate's family or been to their home?
I literally been to all your families. I like this grandma, that grandma.
Yeah. I haven't met your grandma yet though.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna come down to Claire sometime.
Yes.
So you can see.
And you're gonna come to Basil's birthday
party? Hell yeah. Do you pre-game or go to parties together? Yes. Literally haven't been to a party without Claire.
Literally. Oh, that one time.
What one time?
When I was in Claire and you and Zara went out.
Oh yeah, but you literally weren't here, sis. But
I was literally
you
like,
were with me in spirit. Like,
I was literally like, I saw on your stories, I was like, oh, that hurt.
Where you went out when I went to Streaky? Didn't you go out?
No? Oh. You were gone for like.
I do not care.
You were literally gone for so long.
Do you cook together or separately? Together, yeah. Except when I'm on a late. But when I'm on late, we usually just have like an easy meal that's, you know, and I still like when I get home, I'm like, hey Flab, just gonna whip up some dinner now, you know, and it's just a toasty or something. We
either cook together or like I cook something and then the next night you cook something because you seen a recipe.
But we like together, you know, like she'll sit in the kitchen, help out a little bit, like I'll sit in the kitchen, help out a little bit. Has being roommates affected your relationship? It's made us stronger.
Yeah, literally.
Stronger as roommates.
Like diss us before, diss us in high school.
Yeah.
Diss us in
now.
Yeah, but like.
Yeah, I feel like, you know.
Because like.
You know person's best.
You can't live with everyone.
Yeah.
There's some people that you can't live with. And when you find someone that you can, you're just like.
I feel like I know nearly everything about you now.
Yeah, someone could ask a question and you won't be there and I'll be like, oh, this, because I know.
Someone will be like,
like literally, brain, same.
Someone will be like, oh, Flo isn't replying to my test. I'm like, don't worry, she's in a lecture test right now.
What do you need to know?
Why. Like, what do you need to let me know?
It's 9, she's doing a lecture test. She got a pass.
It's like, oh, hey Flo's mum, you wondering how much she got in her bank account? Oh, it's okay. I'll help you. I'll tell you.
Well, I did just transfer her for half of the Uber, so by now it would be
up a little bit.
$15 now.
Okay, well, that was.
Okay, so that's all we have time for today. Hope you enjoyed our chicken review and got to know us a little bit better, a little bit as roommates. Comment down below anything else you want us to do, if this even goes up. Have a roomie account on Instagram, follow it down below, be maybe linked in the description.
We are not posting this.
I don't know how that works, so
we're just doing this for fun because we were like inspired all of a sudden.
And we had the $3 McClassic. Okay, bye.
Wait, what should our thing be?
Make sure you like and subscribe. See you next time.
And then we say, okay, bye.
We're like, okay, bye. Ready?
Okay, bye.